Notice, when received compressor, don't turn the grease pot as we have added the grease. You can only turn 1/3 turn every use 10 to 12 hours. Never turn it before that as it will cause too much grease in the machine and cause damage as the blue box marked there is an hour meter intold. You can monitor the total running time. It becomes easy for you to maintenance regularly. Yes, it seems very top and even a little complicated. Due to GX brand new tech, the gauge was installed 2 pressure arms and you can set the second stop pressure separately by press the button. On the top of the compressor cover, you can see the grease pot, water tank and the burst disc. Unlike others need to oil, this PCP compressor just needs to be added the grease into the pot regularly when run out. It is very clean. Every using the compressor for 10 hours, you can just turn 1/3 turn for maintenance. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.